What's the right way to enjoy dark chocolate? Well, before you bite into your next dark chocolate, watch this. Originally, the Mayans turned cacao into a spiced bitter beverage for ceremonies like marriages and births. But how did we get from that frothy drink to the smooth bars that we know today? In the 19th century, the invention of the dark chocolate bar revolutionized consumption, and milk chocolate soon soared in popularity because of its sweeter and creamier taste. Not to mention, it allowed some big producers to use lower quality cacao and mask the flavor with milk and sugar, just like what happened with tea in British India. Yet, for the true connoisseur, dark chocolate remains king. A good dark chocolate will snap crisply. Next, place a small piece on your tongue and let it warm up to your body temperature. It will release its full bouquet of aromas before you take a bite. Allow the chocolate to slowly melt and coat your mouth, and enjoy the depth of flavor that can only come from expert fermentation of high quality unalkalized beans. Taking a bite is a big no-no. Biting, in fact, increases the perception of bitterness. If you do these things, you will get all the benefits and the flavors without too much of the bitterness. Remember, we are all about enriching the flavor of life.